Good day, friends. I'm going to give everybody my opinion on the difference between LVP, which is luxury vinyl plank for flooring, and a real hardwood. So right here, we'll start with the LVP. This is a very popular floor product from a very popular box store. I'm not going to name any names and pick on anybody. You can see it's really flimsy. A couple things it does have going for it is it's waterproof. I would lay this directly down on a slab on grade. That's the only time I would use it. I get a lot of emails and a lot of calls that say, Derek, why don't you use LVP in your rentals? It's so durable. And the face of this product is fairly durable, but one thing I'll say that over time, tenants will just destroy this stuff. And I know that because it's so fragile. Like here on the edge, this little tongue, I mean, I can break it with just my finger. So I don't think it's gonna hold up well over time. I don't know how you can have a lifetime warranty on a product that's only like 10 years old. And what I have here is about 600 square feet of full 3/4 inch by 3 1/4 solid red oak. And this is like a bomb-proof product. We've been using this for about 120 years in our region, and it's gonna hold up. We've all been in an old bar or an old restaurant or grocery store that had an oak floor, and sure, it may be marred or scratched up, but that's just gonna add character and it's gonna stand the test of time. Another thing I like about real hardwood nail down floor is that it's timeless. No matter what style we're going for, we can put a stain on this floor that's gonna make it match with anything, any trend, anytime. So those are a couple of reasons why I prefer the oak over the LVP. They're about the same price. I paid $350 a square foot for this, and this product's about $450. Granted, I'm gonna have to install this and sand it and finish it. There's a little bit more labor, but in the long run, I know I'm gonna save money and my tenants are gonna be way happier with real hardwood. Like and follow for more. I hope you can subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I respond to everyone personally. I hope everybody's having a good day and planning your ADU.